Hi, I'm Dean. I'm going to show you the tips and tricks to mow your lawn. You'll need a mower of your choice, a push mower, a cordless mower or a petrol mower, safety gear and a lawn trimmer. Here we have the cylinder mower. So it's a nice little compact mower, catch your lawn in a cylinder action. The back of the catcher here catches your grass. Nice and easy to use, great for short lawns, or if you've got really high-end lawns you want to keep looking lush all year round. So here we have an 18-volt cordless mower, great for small to medium lawns. This battery here can be used with all your different tools around your house. So here we have a traditional petrol mower suited to larger lawns. The good thing about this petrol mower here, it's got a large fuel tank on it, so it offers longer run time, also offers more power. I've chosen the Ryobi cordless option just due to the size of the backyard that I'm going to be mowing today. It is important to set your mower height based on your climate and the height of your grass. A safe height is around 30 to 40 millimetres if you're unsure. Before we get mowing, we have to clear everything out of the way. Always remember to wear safety gear and closed-toe shoes when mowing. Firstly, start your mower and then mow around the perimeter of your garden. Once you've mowed around the outside, mow backwards and forth in straight lines, slowly overlapping each line. After you've mowed all of the lawn, use a trimmer, also known as a whippersnipper, to snip the edge of your lawn. With these clippings, you can either put them in your green bin or your compost. Just a reminder to mow your lawn based on the current season we're in. So there you have it. A beautifully mowed lawn.